Jester Tester, an honest review for you.
Hello everyone, Jester Tester is back with another review. This time we are reviewing the portable mini handheld sewing machine by Arespark. It features a simple, convenient, and practical stitching tool. It is easy to carry and it's perfect for quick repairs, and it is easy to use. So let's take a look at it. It comes in a box like this, guys. All right, let's open it up and take a look at it. All right, so inside the box you get a couple of items. You get your bobbins in there, okay, and you get your spool extender, okay. You have a needle threader in there, okay, and an extra needle, all right, and they do have ones already set up in the machine. You also get, and it's pretty cool, this, a lanyard. All right, but this is what's cool. They give you a pair of shears, and I'll tell you, these are really, really sharp, and they're convenient too. They're just a nice, easy way to clip the thread with it, and you're able to get in there pretty flat. They do work really well. All right, so they give you those little extra items with it. Okay, all right, and then inside is the machine itself. All right, now the machine works on 4 AA batteries. Now it has the ability to be able to hook a DC 6-volt adapter in there. They don't provide that. You would have to get that yourself, okay? Okay, so let's move this out of the way and take a look at the machine. It's simple in design. Basically, you have your bobbin, okay, area with your post, okay. They do give you an extension post in case you don't want to use the bobbin, the small bobbins. You can use an entire spool, all right, with the extension post that they give you in there, the larger, there it is, okay. And what you do is, I'm not going to go through the process of threading it, but I'll explain it really quickly. You just take the thread from the bobbin, you come up through the hook here, okay, and then you pull the thread across, and it goes into the tensioning discs up here. Okay, you have your tensioning screw here. You just lay it over the tensioning discs. Then underneath, if you could see this little eyelet under there, all right, that guide, it goes through that thread guide, and then you have to bring it through the needle itself, and that's what you use your needle threader with. And then once you put it through there, you lift the base plate up, okay, and then you pull your thread through, okay. Really quick again, from the bobbin through the hook here. I'll show it to you. There it is. Comes up from underneath, comes out the top, over the tensioning, okay. You just bring it over the top, through, underneath, through the thread guide here, down into the needle, and then down through the base plate, and then out. Okay, and that's basically how you thread the machine. Once you get used to it, it's very simple to do. Okay? All right, so I'm going to cut for a second. I'm going to get a piece of material. I'm going to see how it works. All right, guys, we're back. We have a little swatch of fabric, and let's take a look and see how this actually stitches. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to rotate your wheel here up so the needle is at its highest point. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to lift your base plate up and take your fabric and slip it in under the needle. Wait, let me get the needle up a little bit further. There we go. Okay. And then put your fabric in under the needle. Trying to do this in film at the same time. It's okay. Then lower your plate down. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to rotate the knob here until the needle goes down through the fabric. You'll hear it click, and then you want to bring it back up. Okay, as soon as you do that, you've locked your first stitch. Okay, and now the machine is ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to try and do this and film at the same time. If I don't keep a straight stitch, don't hold it against me, okay? Okay, all right, here we go. Let's try it. All right, so that's it. You just continue. I went a little off there, but don't hold it against me. I'm trying to do two things at the same time. All right, so then after that, you just rotate your needle back up, pull your base plate up, pull some thread out, okay, and then you want to take your shears and, of course, just cut. Okay, now at this point, what you want to do is that stitch here is not locked at the end, so you want to move to your back and just lift your last stitch up, okay, and pull. If I can use those, I don't know where I put them. You definitely want to just lift this one up so you can lock that stitch, okay, and then once you pull that, okay, now if you want to make it even stronger, you can go in with a thread and a needle and just lock that stitch even more, but that's locked now. It won't open up on you. Okay, so that's basically it. It does a fairly good job. It definitely wouldn't be good for really, really heavy materials like heavy denim or anything like that, but for a hem in curtains or in a skirt or a shirt or something like that, it definitely does a quick, easy job. So that's it. All right, I hope this review helped. Until the next one, Just a Tester saying, be well, guys, happy shopping, and we'll see you next time.